Well, we've got some interesting stuff to look at. We've got some space weather, and we've got some Earth weather. Really, what's going on with the space weather is that there is not a lot of activity. Electron flux is high. We're awaiting a coronal hole magnetic connection, which should happen any time today. Taking a look at the rest of the data, the X-ray flux is up a little bit higher than it was, but it's still pretty much on the floor. We are in the A range only, with a little bit of flaring, almost nothing. Solar wind speed has dropped. We're all the way down to, looks like about 350 kilometers per second as the wind speed. And the density is around 9 or so. One interesting thing that happened late last night is this dip in the magnetometer flux. Could be anomalous, not sure about that one, as that is awfully low. In fact, it's so low that they've expanded the graph. They've got negative 100 nanotesla on there. They better bring it back up because it's rising rapidly, as you can see here. KP index has been either 0 or 1 for the past 24 hours. Electron flux is smooth but high. Some minor charging hazards for satellites. And the F2 ionosphere layer is looking a little anomalous right now. Now, on a related note, let's take a look at the NASA GOES visible satellite. For all of you who are interested in the electric universe and how electricity affects the atmosphere, let me direct you over here. If you look in the Atlantic Ocean, you see a lot of awfully conspicuous lines that are perpendicular to each other and that are not associated with wind currents. So that's pretty interesting, right? But because keep in mind, clouds do form on ionization paths, which are created by electromagnetism, let's look at what's going on over Alabama. Oh, that looks kind of strange. Look at the way the clouds in this area just spontaneously form. Is that evaporation or convection at work? We don't think so. So let's see what the water vapor is doing in that area so we get an idea of which way the wind's blowing. Okay. Well, the air is fairly stagnant there. You can see there's movement in the water vapor going this way. And you can see there's rotation in the water vapor with your standard counterclockwise cyclonic flow down here off the coast of Florida in the Gulf. And while there is a chunk of moisture here, which is what we're seeing, it's looking like it's getting zapped. Let's have a closer look. It's not chemtrails, it's electricity. Could be cosmic ray flux. Whatever it is, it seems to be electromagnetism. Look at the way those clouds just suddenly form there. It starts out in this area. It looks like lightning coming out of this cloud, even though it isn't. And then all of a sudden it just fills up this whole region with stratocumulus cloud cover, the kind that is caused by cosmic ray flux. Take a look at that. Try to take it in. And if you're not aware the clouds form on ionization paths, now you know. Hey, subscribers, thanks. If you haven't subscribed, please like and subscribe the videos and share. Also visit our page at www.minds.com/smashomash. In addition to our Facebook page, same deal, Smashomash. Have a nice day and don't accept any wooden nickels.